Hi guys, in this video we are going to build this awesome looking project with only HTML, and we are going to learn the basics of HTML by building this small project only with HTML. Okay, see, this is the design actually which we are going to use build with HTML only. Okay, by building this we will learn the basic of HTML elements and how the each tag to use to why we use the this HTML for structuring the pages. We will learn some many things. Let's get into the video. Okay, first, what is HTML? You can see hypertext markup language. If you know all this is a basic explanation. You all know this. Why are we using this thing to structure our web page? So this is used to structure our web pages, like how the particular content to be showed in the website. So for that we are using the HTML. Okay, let me start with the creation of files. Okay, always HTML file will have the extension of .html. Let me name the file. I'm using VS Code to code this program. I will code this HTML page. Sorry, my bad. Let's name as index.html. Okay, this is our HTML file. Okay, and for HTML always it has some basic structure. The default structure it follows, and I'm using this element abbreviation, and I will show you the code and I will explain what are the details in there. Okay. See, this is the basic structure of the HTML. Okay, this is a basic structure. This is a default structure of many pages is used now. Okay, as we can see, uh, this no this each body opening and closing of body with this we say as HTML element. So this is an HTML element, and this is also an HTML tag. It is also an HTML element. So there are many elements in an HTML. Okay, for an HTML page. Okay, and this is the basic structure that we used to build our page. Okay, and let me use the live server to run this page. Okay. As we can see, this page is empty. You can see this title of your title document. So when we change this title, when we change this title or modify the title, this will make the changes to make the page this here. Okay, we are going to do some changes there. Let me make some changes. Let's say episode 1 of learning HTML and CSS. Let's see. See, it's changed the name of episode 1. Yes. Okay, let's look at the code structure. Our HTML structure now starts with default like this stuff type, and inside this, and always in HTML, we have HTML tag and posting of HTML tag, and we will have a head tag, and this is also head tag, and we have a body tag. You can see body, okay, body. And this head tag and the body tag is used for different purpose. Like body tag, we are used to display the things which you want to display on the page. For example, if you make any changes in the body tag, this change will be showed on the page. See in this white screen, you can see this gibberish word which I have typed. No, like that we can see the changes what I have typed there. And inside the head tag, we are used to for linking something or the changes which is not visible to the page. Such set of links which will be go to this head tag. Okay. Uh, this basic thing. Okay, let's start about our HTML element. Okay. Then okay, the main question is why we use this HTML tag. Why are we using this HTML to structure the page? What's the reason? Okay, I'll show you. Let us consider our design is like this. This is our design. We are going to someone has given this design and they want to make this design. From this design, we can understand 3 to 4 things. I will explain. First thing is this text is like heading tag, and here's a small paragraph, and here also a small heading, and inside this house we have bulletin points, and we have this bold text or bold text are there, and we have an image, and we have some kind of link or some kind of text here. Okay, this is what they have, what we are going to design. But the content here is this is the content. See, this very small content. That's just I'm just copying this content. I'm pasting this content inside the code. Okay, let's see what happened. See, it's all comes under like this single line. And this is not a design that we want to build. We want to make sure that each thing what we are each text or each content, no, it should be like in this design, no. So we are going to structure this content in the manner so it will be look somewhat similar to this image. Okay, we are going to structure this page by using HTML elements. Okay, as you know, this is like heading of the page. There's a tag which is we use in HTML to make the heading of the page, that is H1 tag, and these tags are ranged from H1 to H6. Each will have some size variation. The H1 is having a big size, and the remaining tags are like sizes little what compared to all tags it is low. Okay, just copy this HTML and we'll paste it here. Let's see the changes. See, now it's just like a heading. It's somewhat coming similar to our design, like see HTML. Just coming here. Okay. Then let's see what are headings in the HTML. See headings, uh, heading tag in HTML. Let's see different heading tags. As we can see, there are 6 heading tags. Each size is varying from different. See, H1 is like bigger tag and H6 is like small one. So this is the code they used to make the for HTML elements. So we can use the heading tags based on our need to create this design. Okay, and we have also have a tag or paragraph that is used for when we need to make something as paragraph. Use a paragraph tag. For that we used p. This is a paragraph tag. You can notice that HTML element now it consists of the opening tag, and this is the content, and this is the closing tag. So this is what an HTML element will be considered of. Some element which will not having that closing tag, no, some element which will not have a closing tag, and some element which will not having the content. So we will discuss it later. Let's proceed with our paragraph tag. So this is our paragraph tag which we are going to, yes. Mm, okay, actually I'm creating the pages. This is what we are going to make it as a paragraph. Somewhat different too. Okay. Somewhat it is similar to our design. Let's look at our design. See, HTML stands for markup language and pages and design. So it's somewhat coming to our design similar way. And next is here. What is HTML? So somewhat layout has changed. And this is second another heading. Okay, this is another heading. We are going to use another heading like somewhat smaller than it. We are going to use an H2 tag. Okay, we are going to use an H2 tag to make these changes here. Now we can see that we got our second heading, second H2 tag, and we are going to make this as list. Okay, okay, let's proceed. Then as the design we can see this is like a list. Okay, we don't know how to create a list. Let's check how to create a list tag or list from this W3 schools I'm using. Okay, let's see W3 schools and we'll choose for list tag as list. So here we can see the list tag from example. The list is like this. We have two types of list: an unordered list and an ordered list. Unordered list will be like having this bulletin points, and ordered list will be having like this like 1 2 3 4 numbering. So we can use this to make our design like this bulletin points for us. Okay. Then how will it see the code of the system? For mentioning the unordered list or order list, we will use OL tag for order list. For unordered list, we will use UL tag. So this will be an unordered list. Let's check this code on it. See, we are using UL tag that is unordered list. So we are getting this point shape. I mean disk shape in the building points. If we make it as an order list, let's make it as order list. OL, then we run. See, we get as an order S1, 2, 3. So this is the changes we will need to make, and we can create an order list for our need. And one thing does not change based on list is LI. This is used to indicate the items. That is list items. LI stands for list items. We are making what are the items in the list. So we use an LI tag. Okay, let's get into our code and see. We need an unordered list. We have three points we need to make. Let's make it. Let's make an unordered list. I mean, unordered list. UL tag. Yes. And we need a list item. A list item which will have yes this one as the first point. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. And the second list item we will just copy this thing, this point, and we will paste it here. And for the third address, we'll just copy this thing and we paste it here. Now let's look at our design. See, we are getting this three bulleting points like we have mentioned the design. See, we are somewhat getting this bulleting points. Then we can notice that this hypertext markup language is somewhat kind of bold, and we can notice that the structure now it's somewhat like an italicized text. So how we can achieve this is by using some tags. Let's look at the internet. What is the tag we need to make element bold? We will check here. See block. Let's see for bold. Mm, mm. If you're not able to find, we'll like search here. Let's search here. Bold tag. Let's see bold. Yes, here. We should use B tag to make a text to bold. See, we'll see. We try it and see it. See, the normal text is there, and when we use the B tag and we surround the element, we are getting this bold text. Oh, so this is what we are getting here. So we can make this element bold like this. There's an alternate way. There's other way also we can use a bold tag. That is by using strong tag. This is also similar to bold, but this thing is used like having a semantic meaning. So we are using strong tag. Strong tag. So we use strong tag. So this will also make appearance like bold, but it gives some meaningful. This text is important like that. It gives some meaningful thing. So there is no difference in it. Like see, both are applying the same flag. Okay, but the meaning is changed. Like it is important. Like that, it gives some semantic meaning to the element. So we usually prefer using strong tag instead of bold. Okay. Okay, let's apply the strong tag to our HTML full form here, hypertext markup language. Let's use our strong tag here. Strong tag, and we just copy this hypertext markup language and we paste it here. Let's see our output. That is here. See, this is coming as we expected. See, this is coming like hypertext markup language. Okay, this is like bold, like the design. Next, another thing we need to make this thing italicized. Let's search for here italicized. See, I tag. I know this I is for italicized. You can see this. It is used to display the content in italic. So this we can use this to make an size italicized, or we can see these are the things we can use. Like we can use em emphasize tag for italicized. We can also use this thing, and we can use like these are the tags we can use for text to do some changes like this. Okay, let's see this italicized in example. We can see. See this lower image sum is like italicized. You can see this. This inside of I tag. You can see this. It is like italicized. So we can use this I tag to italicize, or we can use an em tag. For example, I will changing this. Let me copy this IM RMS Titanic. Sorry, Titanic, and we make emphasis tag. This is also having like semantic tag. It will look like italicized. See this one and this one look so similar. Okay, this will have some semantic meaning, so we are using this em tag, or we can use this I tag. Let me use I tag in this example. For the structure of the page, let me use I italicized. Then make the structure inside this. Yes, thus we can see our structure is like the same as italicized. Okay, then we can see that for using an image, we cannot simply paste the image or give the link of the image. It will not work. Okay. What we need to do is we need to use an image tag to display the image. We can use the image tag to display the local image, that is images which are inside this folder, or we can use to display the images which are on the internet. We can use the display the image on the internet. For example, this is the image is on internet. Let me copy this link and let me paste it here. Let's see, it goes to Pixabay. See, this internet which is available on internet. We are going to display this image by using image tag. Let's search image tag as HTML image tag. You can see the image element or image element. Okay, you can see that it does not have a closing tag. See, it does not have a closing tag, and this does not have a content also. Instead of it have this thing. This is known as attribute. What we have inside this, no, this the opening tags, we say it as attributes. So this thing which will determine the image properties, such as this is like used to measure the height or width of the image. This is for alternate text, and this is the source of the image. So if we modify this thing, the image will not be rendered properly. And we can see that if the image is not rendered, we can see this alternate text which is showing here. So let us fix this problem. Just run this. Okay, we are getting this image. So we can similarly we can use our own source and we can display our image. Let's paste the source and we'll run. See, we are getting this image. Okay. So similar way we are going to apply this image tag, and we are going to make our image to appear on the page. Okay, instead of this, we are going to, sorry, that's my bad. We're going to use this image tag, and let me change the, first we check the design. That's our, see, our image has been appeared here. Let us let us change the height and width of the image so it looks somewhat normal. Let we make it as 200, and we can remove the height if you want. That's our wish, completely based on us. We can change the design completely based on this. We can completely modify this thing and make awesome changes, guys. Like, see, I'm modifying this width of the image. Then we can, if we want, we can also make this image height also modify. It's all easily possible, guys. Let us make this like a square shape image. See, our image has came. Next thing we need to do is like make this thing now. Text and hyperlink. Why we use a link is like when we want to link the element, or we need to link this page also. We use hyperlink. I mean, there is a link tag. What is the use of hyperlink? Let me show you here. Okay. First of all, let me make this element an institute tag. It is making a stick, and let me paste this thing on here. See, our digital hunter has came successfully, and let us make the changes. Like when we click this text now, it should take me to my YouTube channel page or anything like that. We use hyperlinks for that, which for linking the page. Okay. Let's take the example of hyperlinks. Let's go to okay link tag. Yes, link. Let's search the link. You can see hyperlinks. See, you can click on the link and we can jump to another document. Like we can easily move from one page to another within the page, or we can go to outside the page we want. For that, we use this. Like this is the syntax for it. You can see, and it is not a tag, and ending it's also a. Mean closed a, and we have the text, and this is the URL where we want to point it. See, here they have given some example. We can try it. See, it says we can when we click on this link, now it will get us to W3 schools. See, I'm opening the school. When opening the link, we go to W3 schools. So this is what the link does. We can change the link if we want. Like we can say it.com, that is YouTube, I think. So let's check whether it's working or not. Okay, no link exit, I think so. Uh, Let me type the link. YouTube.com. Let's see. See the response. Okay, okay, I understand. I need to open in like new tab. My bad. Sorry, guys. We can clearly see we are able to visit our YouTube. Oh, okay, YouTube. So this way we can use it to visit our YouTube page, and we can do some changes if we want. So let's simply put our code and we'll make use of our hyper tag link. Say yes tube.com, and this should happen when we click on this digital hunter in the text. Let's check our code. See different text is there. When we click on it, it's goes to youtube.com. But I don't want to open this youtube.com on this page. I would like to open this on new page. For that, what we can do is there's an attribute we can add to our link tag, that is target this underscore blank now. This will help us to open our link in new tab. How do I know this? By just searching on internet. We can easily find how to open a link on new tab. We can get the result. See how to open link in new tab HTML like this. We should see. You can see here adding target slash bank attribute. This one will make us to go to our new page, like new tab, open new tab. Okay, this is what we are going to apply here in plan. Let's see our code. When I click on this, see, it's go to our new opening new tab. So that's all, guys. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned for more video. Make sure subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.